Unlocking the meaning of land a punch, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, land a punch. This phrase is not only common in everyday English but also rich in meaning and usage. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone honing their English skills, understanding phrases like this can really enhance your language proficiency. So, let's get started and unpack what land a punch really means. Firstly, let's look at the literal meaning of land a punch. In physical terms, to land a punch means to successfully hit someone with a punch in a physical altercation or in sports like boxing. It's about making contact with your target effectively. This is the most straightforward interpretation and is often seen in descriptions of physical contests or fights. However, in everyday language, land a punch is frequently used in a figurative sense. When someone says they landed a punch in a debate or argument, it means they made a strong, impactful point that was hard for the other person to counter. It's about having a significant effect with your words or actions, similar to how a powerful punch would impact in a physical sense. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. In a debate. During the debate, the candidate landed a punch with his compelling argument about climate change. 2. In daily conversation, she really landed a punch with her comment on the project, making everyone rethink their approach. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various scenarios, emphasizing the effect of one's actions or words. It's important to note that land a punch should be used in contexts where there is a notion of conflict, competition, or impact. It would be inappropriate in peaceful or casual contexts where no metaphorical fight or contest is implied. And that's a wrap on land a punch. I hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new expression to your English repertoire. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the context and the vivid imagery they evoke. So, go ahead, use land a punch in your conversations and see the impact it creates. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the wonderful world of English.